Welcome to our updated guide on how to block an account in X. If you're looking to take control of your X app experience, follow these simple steps. 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Locate the app's icon and tap on it to launch the application. 2. To block an account, you have two options. First, you can go directly to the desired account. Alternatively, if you're on the home page, tap the three dots next to the desired account. 3. In the Account Options menu, you'll find the Block option. Tap on it to proceed with blocking the account. 4. Once you've tapped Block, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your decision to block the account. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively block an account in X, ensuring a more personalized and secure experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Take control of your X app and enjoy a safer and more enjoyable social media experience.